Have you ever stopped to ponder about the role money plays in your life? It's more than just a tool for survival, it's a catalyst for change, a vessel for dreams. Consider the story of a young man, brimming with ambition yet constrained by financial limitations. His dream was to own a business, but his pockets were as empty as his heart was full. Unyielding, he toiled day and night, saving every penny he earned. His dream, though delayed, was never abandoned. Over time, his savings grew, and with it, the power to realize his dream. The day came when he was able to fund his business, a testament to his persistence and belief. His business thrived, providing employment to others, donating to charities, and uplifting his community. This is the transformative power of money, a testament to what can be achieved when it's used wisely and responsibly. Remember, money in itself is neither good nor bad. It is a tool, and its impact depends on how you wield it. We all have dreams and aspirations. The power to make them come true lies within us, and money is just one tool that can help us on this journey. So let's take a moment to reflect on our relationship with money. It's easy to get caught up in the chase for wealth, but remember, money is not the finish line. It's the fuel that propels us forward, the tool that aids us in realizing our dreams. The real power comes from you, your dreams, your hard work, and your unyielding determination. These are the forces that shape your destiny. Money is simply a facilitator, a means to an end. It's important, yes, but it's not the ultimate goal. If you found value in this video, subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up. Remember, every time you click that button, you're not just supporting us, you're supporting your own journey towards understanding the power of money. See you in the next video.